Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 1:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, August 25th, 2021. Okay, this is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. Click the subscribe, click the bell. Most importantly, click that thumbs up. I want everyone to see the greatness of RLC or iExec. Intraday updates, if you so choose to hear me out throughout the day. Twitter.com link is in the description below. Let's move forward into the markets. Clearly, this week has been pretty impressive as it relates to iExec or RLC. So clearly in this beautiful trend line forming here. I mean, you don't get prettier than this. And this has been going on for, since July of 2021. So like we're cleanly going through this, and it's now over a month. Bounce back off. We hit a high of around 558, 560. Let me tell you folks something. This is a great project. RLC developing out what I call Web 3.0. Now, they're not on the Masari list in terms of Web 3.0, but I think they are. They should be as it relates to Web 3.0. I think there's massive decentralized compute demand out there that will be coming as this Web 3.0 approaches us. This is going to be as big as the internet, as big as Web 2.0, probably bigger than 1.0 and 2.0. This is much bigger, a much bigger ecosystem that I think will be developed out because it's globally deployed, and I think that this is going to be a great tale to tell in the end. Right now we're at 502 at RLC. Just to remind everybody, sorry about the curtains. I thought I removed it, but anyway, 504 was my buy price, and we are sitting squarely like a penny or two below it. I don't really care. Look where we were. I mean, we were down at $2. We went up 150% over the course of the last month. That's how formidable this particular project is. I think it's a big deal. Anyway, moving forward to the two pairs I actually like to look at. One is the Bitcoin pair, which is the benchmark, and then the inner strength, right? We got to figure out where this thing's going. Right now, the RLC US dollar pair appears bullish at the surface. Now, let's dig a little deeper. Well, this looks kind of bullish too. We're on a trend that's going up since July, mid-July, towards the end of July, about a month now. So we're on a trend up on the RLC Bitcoin pair. I won't belabor this chart, but clearly we are now breaching this yellow area here. So this is going to be very interesting to see how this will play out. Now, this had poked its head through this hole, through this resistance, this yellow line of resistance, and it happened very quickly. Clearly, we still have a few days left. Now, this is the RLC Bitcoin pair. This, to me, would be very telling in terms of where we're going with RLC as a whole in dollars. Now, Bitcoin is the other part. Now, Bitcoin, to me, is on a tear. I mean, it's like up and down. Last video, I thought we might fall down to 42. We didn't quite fall down that far, but we did fall down to 43 and change. Then, hence, from there, we pulled back up. So, we were around here, right around the green line. We pulled back, not as far down as I thought, down to the 42. But as we had pulled back again, I'm starting to see a lot of resistance on this ascending channel. So the ascending channel is actually really good. I think we're still on a trend on the way up. We have to continue to see how this plays out. We are doing a zip line on this green line. And if I zoom out, and as most of you who watched this video months ago on my projection for RLC and Bitcoin, Bitcoin to me hits 80,000 between now and the end of the year. Again, it's my prediction, not financial advice. But I also am starting to see an inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is bullish. We could get back up to the 60K range or maybe a little below in short order. So I expect us to continue to, gravitate towards this center of gravity or the green line over the coming weeks and months. Now, let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance continues to go down. Now, this is good for altcoin. if you are an altcoin holder. It's not bad for Bitcoin either, because Bitcoin's going up too. But this just means, as this is going down, this just means as Bitcoin's going up, that altcoins will go up even more. So very important that you all understand the dynamics of that. But in general, I think Bitcoin really looks very strong here. And we have to continue to watch this thing play out. Again, it's doing a zip line here. As you can see, throughout time, we kind of hang around this line. This line is the place. It's the meat of the price action. So we'll keep our eye on this. And, RLC right now, 503. Anyway, have a good day, everyone. Take care.